I'd like to introduce you to a new plugin from Phox Elements called Phox Vault. And what this allows you to do is to create your own personal breakdance design library, where you can save sections, elements, or pages from breakdance, have them automatically sync to the cloud, and therefore use them on any website that you want. So let's take a look at how it works. I've got the plugin installed here, and we can see on the back end of the website all of the items we've got saved in the vault. We've also got some categories down the left hand side, and we've got some further filters down here for type as well if I want to filter. And from here I can mark the favorites, which will allow the section or page to jump to the top of the list. I can copy here, and this allows me to copy the code and then paste it into Breakdance if I want. However, we can do this natively inside the builder, which I'll show you in a moment. We can also edit the name and description here and the category, or we can delete. If I go into the categories menu, this is where we can create custom categories. It comes with a bunch of default ones for all the typical sections that we have on Breakdance, where you can save into those, but you can create custom ones and they will be synced across the cloud as well. And then if we look at the settings here, we can see we're connected to Google Drive, which is what we're using for Cloud Sync. We can see which drive we're connected to, how many items we've got, and when the last sync was. But let's go inside the builder and take a look at how it looks in here. So as normal in Breakdance, I can right click on any section or any element, and when I do that now, I've got some extra options from the plugin. We've got save to vault, insert from vault, or save the page to vault. And like I said before, we can do this on a section or an element. If I just wanted to save this heading to the vault, I could do that, but let's click on and save a section. In fact, let's save this entire page. So we'll click save to page. It's telling us that there's two sections on this page. Let's call this our demo layout. It's already in the pages category by default, which I'm happy with. And we'll just give it a description of demo video as well. And let's press save on that. I'll take a second. It'll save it to the vault, and it will sync automatically to the cloud as well. So that is now available on the cloud on any website where we have this plugin installed. And let's just take a look. If I press insert from vault as well, this is where we can insert. There's that section that we've just done, the demo layout. We can see our favorite one is sticking to the top. That's the one we've just saved there. We can also see any of these. So if I wanted to put this section in from another website, I just need to press insert, and it will insert it below the section that we've just added. So let's go to a new website. This is a brand new website. I have got the plugin installed, but I haven't connected it to the cloud yet. So I'm going to connect it to the same Google account that we've just saved that home page on. And we've got to give it permission to access our drive. And once we've done that and connected, it will automatically sync all of the items in the cloud to our website. So you can see here, it's done it there. It's pulled in 15 items. So let's go and create a page now. In fact, we've got a new page here. Let's edit this page in Breakdance and see if we can put in that home page that we've just saved into the cloud. So I'm going to right click, insert from vault, and there it is. There's our, in fact, no, that's not it. That's the favorite one. Let's go into pages. There's our demo layout that we created. Okay, so I'm going to press insert on there, and there we go. It's put the entire page in there, and you can see these are a different color because on Phox Elements we were using a global color of purple, where here we haven't got that global color set up. But apart from that, it's copied over the sections exactly as they were on Phox Elements. If I wanted to enter another section, let's insert a section from the vault as well. Let's insert this one here. I'm going to press insert on there, and then immediately I've got that section that's from a completely different website as well. And of course it brings in all the settings, so it's fully responsive just as it was on the other website. And that's how easy it is. So now you can build up your own library as you build new websites and have all your designs available for reuse.